Today I will show you how to put micro-velcro into an orthosis. Hi, I'm Julian, CPO at Ottobock, and welcome to O&P Workshop Insights. First of all, we need to roughen the surfaces where we want to glue the Velcro, and I prefer to glue the material 1 centimeter from the edge of the orthosis. I'll cut some stripes of the micro-velcro. After cutting, I have to clean where I want to glue the micro-velcro. Therefore, I use alcohol. To fix the micro-velcro, then in the orthosis, I have prepared contact glue. I put a lot of thinner inside, so the contact glue is very thin. Now I put the contact glue with a brush on this rough lean areas. If the glue is completely dry, you can take the prepared micro-velcro and take a heat gun, heat up the glue on the orthosis and the glue on the micro-velcro at the same time. Don't make the heat gun too hot. And put the micro-velcro on the place where you prepared the glue and the orthosis. Then you can continue with heating up and glue the micro-velcro step by step in the orthosis. At the end, just push the micro-velcro in the orthosis to make sure that everything is in contact and get a good connection. If everything is dry and cold, you can continue with the next stripes. Use sandpaper, clean up the area with some alcohol, stripe by stripe, as much stripes as you need for the orthosis. And then we finish with the upper part of the orthosis. Now we need to cut the padding material. So just put the padding material in the orthosis, and then you can cut with a scissor 1 centimeter from the edge of the orthosis. At the end, the micro-velcro stays in place and is not moving out when you remove the padding material. For the lower part, I can show you now a little different way. We can use some dots to put it into the orthosis. I use an old blade to use these buttons, so if you do it on a workbench, the workbench is damaged, so please put something below which can be damaged afterwards. So now we continue like in the upper part, just make the areas a little bit rough where we want to put the dots on, and now I have to clean it again with alcohol. And on these areas we can now put our contact glue, heat up the parts with the contact glue, glue the dots to the orthosis like we do before with the stripes. When the dots are glued in, we can continue with the padding, and if it's in, you can cut the padding material with a scissor. Okay, now everything is done. The padding material is into an orthosis. If you have other tips and tricks, just write it in the comments. If you like this video, just follow us on Ottobock Professionals and our YouTube channel.